very noisy Longham Bridge. Just cycled from Christchurch and I'm on the way to St Albans Head. So I'm off now to have a bivvy and do a bit of cooking. Right, I'm out on the heathland proper now. Lots of puddles, as you can see. We've had a fair old measure of rain lately. So it's actually quite a bit cloudier today than I thought it was going to be. It's probably keeping it a little bit cooler. Morning. So we're down here. Find the trail to Broadstone. We've got to go up the hill now. Near the road now, so looks like I'm on the right track, but I thought this was going to be a bigger track than this. It's certainly very nice on this well compacted limestone trail. Slightly downhill, making the cycling really nice and comfortable. Topton Heath, which is another little pocket of heathland. Again, another big load of heathland. Ooh, this loose gravel is a bit harder to cycle on, but I think I'm getting a little bit tired. Probably need to stop for lunch. I'm ready for this. I've got some cheese sarnies, a bit of gherkin in, and some honey and date bread. The river's quite flooded. It is tidal though. That was Wareham. Look at that. He looked like some little wild boar. Oh. I think this was a bit of a mistake coming up this one. Just muddy and steep. Oh, it's eased off a bit now. But look at that lovely view behind me, right over to Corfe Castle in the distance. Here we are at St Albans Head. It's taken me about 5 hours to get here, and I'm just going to be bivvying down below where I am now on that terrace, which has got the remains of some old Second World War radar installation. Right. So we've got Timothy Taylor Landlord, classic pale ale, 4.1%. Well, this is going down rather well. A bit rather too quickly, I'm afraid. I think they're actually done. Yeah. Oh well. Potatoes are cooked. Heat's gone down a bit, so that's good. Let's get our onions in. Okay, and so now I'm going to pop the bacon in. I think the wind's dropped a bit, which is good. I think that was forecast. Oh yeah, that's coming on nicely. I think I'll have to tip that in there for a moment. I'm going to pop that back in. And now I'm going to pop some water in. Right, I've got a nice little Malbec. Again, I brought that from the local stores in Corfe Castle. I've got some tomato ketchup to go in. Bit of pepper. Gravy granules. So that's going to thicken it up nicely. Cool, that's looking nice. Now, we've got to mash up these spuds. A bit of butter and a bit of milk. Just going to plate that up. Wow. The sun is setting. We've got mashed potato. Oh, gosh, that's lovely. We've got liver and bacon. Onion. That's really nice. Cooked to perfection.